And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
This is getting the latest updates on some of the tropical information coming in for Tropical Storm Fiona. And Fiona continues to churn near the Lesser Antilles and northern areas of the Lesser Antilles. Still a tropical storm, and that was expected. Not going to strengthen likely to a hurricane until sometime early next week. Track still takes it west. Big concern for the island of Puerto Rico as we go into tonight and tomorrow. Tropical storm force winds and very heavy rainfall, which could produce some mudslides for the island. It will probably get ripped up a bit as it travels over the island of Hispaniola sometime by Sunday and Monday. There's some very high elevation there. Hurricanes don't like high elevation. It tends to weaken them. But all it has to do is move a little bit more north, get back into some warmer waters near the Bahamas, and could bump up to a Category 1 at that point. That would be sometime next Wednesday. And then where it goes from there, a big question mark. I think if it strengthens and becomes a big-time hurricane, it might pull it out to sea. If it kind of stays kind of weak, it has potential maybe to creep up the coast. But nonetheless, we'll be tracking it for you. Tropical Storm Fiona. Outside right now, tracking nothing but blue sky. What a day. What a great Friday. Wake up this morning, a bit of a chill in the air, and then we can erase it in September and take 40s to 60s and 70s and turn out to be a delightful day. Not much of a breeze outside either. It just feels really good. So if you have plans this evening and want to kick off the weekend, maybe doing a little outdoor dining, maybe a little light jacket if you're going to be outside having dinner. If you take a little walk, you'll probably be sweating. But nonetheless, temperature 70s to 60s to 50s. And it's another cool night tonight. We'll take those temperatures back into the upper 40s to low 50s. Perfect night for a fire pit. I am jealous. If you are at home on Friday night and you have fire pit time, my fire pit forecast for me would be tomorrow night when I'm off. But cool stars, and I put 10 out of 10. Because I don't know if it gets any better. Fire pit Friday night, perfect way to kick off the weekend. Speaking of the weekend for Saturday, mostly sunny skies. Temperatures tomorrow, we'll try to hit 70 at the coast. I think the beaches will be just a little bit better than 68, 69, probably more like 70, 71, like it is north, 71, 72, but not like to the point where it's really warm. I've actually taken a few degrees off the temperature for Saturday with some low to mid 70s and sunshine for southeastern Mass as well. It'll warm up for Sunday. So tomorrow, beach day, yes. Maybe even bring a little sweatshirt on the way to the beach, and then in the afternoon it will be really nice. Not much wind, air temperature 72, water temperature about 72, and looking good. The reason why we have this great weather for today and for Saturday and eventually Sunday too, high pressure will do a very good job at keeping this system to our north. And what that means for you, it means we just extend the sunshine right through the weekend, which is great. So Futurecast, here's your high pressures, the storm system back in the Great Lakes. High pressure dominates not just for today, but for tomorrow. Loving the way the weather sets up for Saturday when you get that nice cool start to the day, but you get that nice comfortable finish in the afternoon, and it will certainly play out that way for Saturday. High pressure will hang on for Sunday while we're enjoying sunshine to start the day in the morning. You see this little area of rain here. This will be a developing what we call backdoor cold front. Comes at us kind of the wrong way. As we go into Sunday afternoon, I still think the rain stays pretty much north. There could be a few showers at night. We'll get a little bit more cloud cover in the afternoon, but overall, it's still a really nice day. The frontal boundary's far enough north that the rain stays mainly north through the weekend. Eventually, this front will sag south and bring a better chance of rain for the early part of next week, but that doesn't happen until almost Monday night. So mainly dry conditions through the weekend and into early next week until we get to that Monday night hit of rain before we dry things out Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and usher in fall with style with temperatures in the 70s for the end of next week. John.
Style indeed. All right, thank you, Jeff. Now a look at what's making news around the nation.